Hey guys, today we're going to unbox the Baseus gaming headset and let's see if it compares to the more high quality stuff out in the market. Okay, so here's the box. A little bit beat up, but I hope the headphones are fine. So let's open the box. These often offer a very nice design, and they can pair up to 3 devices simultaneously. And they have the acoustic position. They have 40 hours of listening time, and they will support, of course, gaming and chatting. And they have a simultaneous dual mode. So let's open the device. Okay, here we go. Okay, ripping it out. Oh, here are the headphones, looking very good. You got the mic and aux cable, a wireless transmitter, which is nice, and a charging cable. Of course, the manuals so here, and some Baseus stickers. And I think that's it. Okay. Some base plastics. This is the package. Let's see the design of those. Okay. I must say the quality is amazing. The padding is very good. The materials look premium. On the other hand, I will say that plastics are medium quality, not the worst, not the best. It doesn't have the nice plasticky sound as the Baseus plastic. It's a more cheap plastic, but the mechanism for the expansions look very good. On the controls, we have the volume control, which I like, to be honest, to have this wheel instead of 2 buttons. We have another function control, which I don't know why. Charging, which is Type C, and the aux, I think this is for sound, and this one, the other aux, is for the mic, which connects like this and then secures. Looks very good. And that's it. Okay, let's power them up and see how they sound. So after testing the sound of those headphones, I must say I'm very much surprised by the quality. I tried them for gaming. They are very responsive, and especially if you're using the dongle, which is faster than the Bluetooth connection. So if you're gaming, please use the dongle. So another feature which is cool in the dongle, which for PC gaming, you will use the full dongle with the Type A, USB Type A. And if you're gaming on the phone, you can use the Type C. I'm not sure if the full dongle have more features. I need to check this out. But it's a very good idea to have both functionality for on the go when you want to play on the phone and for the PC. Another things that I must say, which are the buttons. I told you I like the volume wheel. The other one is this is the ambient lighting button, which changes the color on the headphones if you have some favorite color you want to use. Mine is the white. Here you have the Bluetooth off and on for your Bluetooth mode. And then you have the mute mic button, and the power off and on button. It's pretty straightforward. Also, you can roll off if you're not gaming, you can roll off without the mic or with it. It depends on you really. And this is in general, I must say, I'm pretty surprised by the quality, the cushioning quality. Also, the drivers are very good. The light, also, it's very light headphone, not much weight on your head if you're gaming for too long. Very good job, Asus, and especially for the price, it's a very, very, very good product. So thank you for tuning in, and we will be in touch in the next video. Thank you.